So a flex house essentially is 2 homes under one roof.
Yeah, it's the flexibility of the house, right? That's the idea. So we have, you know, it can be used as an investment property. You have a live-in investor, they live in one, either downstairs or upstairs, and rent out the other half. Or an investor purchases it and rents out both, upper and lower.
Right.
Right?
Yeah, another great option is multi-generational. A lot of families these days are, you know, living with multi-generational under one roof. So you can have one family live in the basement, some of your family live upstairs. So yeah, it's a great.
You can grow with it too. It can start as an investment, it can turn into multi-generational, it can be a live-in landlord situation that turns multi-generational, but just, again, flex house, so much flexibility.
And the nicest thing is you can always, you know, in the future, if you don't need to continue to use it as a flex home, you can always easily convert it back to just being a regular basement that you and your own family can live in for the future.
Yeah.